in your OS. Okay, then you can see here a lot of interesting games here. Okay, then close it, and you can see here first application is hack, endless hack unlock infinity reformat. I think it's used for installation permanently here. And you can see here the Chromium browser here and file manager here, Liberty LibreOS writer, LibreOffice writer, sorry, LibreOffice writer, LibreOffice calculator, LibreOffice impress, and Facebook and WhatsApp as usual. You can install or already pre-installed WhatsApp. I don't know, just first time I come here, so click it or check it down. Okay, then opening process is running, and media center, you can see here the video player and photos. Curiosity is Duolingo here, and social, you can see the Twitter and Gmail. Music application here, App Store as usual. Then I'm going to start application. No apps are opens. Reformat. Here is, you can see the web WhatsApp is running. Oh, it's based on browser based OS, browser based WhatsApp. Okay, then close it, and then going to reformat. Click reformat as 3 GB. Okay, existing version 3 GB. Okay, next. Then VMware, select the hardware is agree. Okay, then next, and then it's process to install your hard drive. It's very comfortable and easy way to install this OS on your hard drive. I think it seems like Android OS. So let's go and stay with me. See how after install, how to see after install. Okay, sorry for my bad English, so please forgive me for this English language. I'm trying to my best, and keep watching my channel. Viewers, you can see here the installation process is done, and here the notification is power off. Okay, then we are going to power off and reboot it and see how is it. Viewers, you can see here after install, here is some notification. Then I'm clicking next, as language and keyboard is English. Okay, next, accept terms and condition. Then I don't want to go this login, then click skip. Here is name about T is take passport, and no, I don't want to set password. If you want, then you can click here and then set password. Okay, then next, start using endlessness. Viewers, you can see here same as it is the interface previously live version. We can see here and like it Android, completely visualization is Android, and here is the swipe menu is there like Android, and resolution bit low. Then I'm going to settings. Here is settings, and set up the resolution. Okay, set up resolution. Why is the resolution display? And I'm going to hit set 12, 10, 13, 16. Apply. Okay, keep change. Okay, then close, and you can see here the all menu. The first menu screen is here, you can see that, and then application, archive manager, browsers, calculator, Chromium, contacts like Android, disk users, disks, document evaluation, front, image, screenshot, remote desktop, and then LibreOffice, and then third option is selfie. If you have laptop, install laptop, then you can take selfie here. Here's setting, slide track might be game, and system, you can see the system is here. Okay, nice interface. And where is the system? Okay, I minimize it, look it later, and system monitor. Here is the system monitor resource users file system is showing here, all same as usual Linux, but some interface combined with Android. It's like a mix up with Android, looks like Android, and it's based on Linux. Okay, then if I'm going to terminal, then here is the terminal. Okay, that's nice. And again, if I go into system, then oh, this is nice graphical interface with system. Okay, kernel code. Okay, nice. Okay, really amazing. Okay, very nice. Okay, then thank you very much. Stay with me and stay with my channel. And if you like my video, then hit the subscribe button if you are new, or if you are subscribed to my channel, then please hit the like button if you like my videos. And if you don't like my videos, then comment me why and why is my videos problems, then I'm trying to fix it in next time. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, stay with Tech Passport.